The Zonesun ZS-AFC33B4 is an automatic monoblock system designed for efficient filling and assembly of reed diffuser bottles. Operating at 10 to 15 pcs/min, it integrates conveyor and feed, dual-head magnetic pump filling, inner plug placement and pressing, reed stick insertion and pressing, cap placement, and torque-controlled capping into a compact rotary platform. The system ensures accurate dosing, precise component positioning, and airtight sealing for fragrance, aroma, and small volume liquid products ranging from 5 ml to 30 ml. It is ideal for reed diffusers, essential oil bottles, home fragrance items, and other small personal care liquid packaging applications.